Okay, hello. As promised, I'm making the video for you. As I have mentioned previously, I will use a slightly different method than it's described in the manual. I'm removing all the pins from the printer before, so it will save me a little time during the each dock calibration. I will just do first and second tool head, so it's easier to... The rest is just the same. Sometimes it happens when you do the dock calibration one after the other that the procedure finishes with the green check mark, but it goes back to the main menu of the printer. This is nothing. This is not a problem. You should just go ahead and continue with the next dock as necessary. I'm sorry, I'm still recovering after a small surgery, so movements are a little bit more complicated for me than usually, but it will be done in no time. Yeah, that's my typical issue. I keep losing stuff. Okay, and now I'll do the... No, this is not the right one. I believe it's this one. Now this is how to tighten them. So this is the way. There's no need to fully unscrew the dogs, just loosen them. I'll show you a closer look. That's okay. What we want to achieve here is this. It's no more fully tightened, so you can actually move the dog a little up and down. Yeah, it's easy to see now, right? Okay, so I'll start the calibration process. Calibration, dog position calibration, and let's do the first one. This is something you know very well. Continue. Now I'm, let's say, removing the stuff from the tool head. Screws are loosened too. And now there is no action on the printer itself. I'll just zoom out. And you need to move the dock here, the tool changer here, and close both latches. This is how it's supposed to be. Close, close. So it's attached to the dock. Now is the time where you click continue. The tool changer engages, grabs the tool, and now you are tightening the upper screw. Just the upper one, because you have no access to the one on the bottom, right? No need to over tighten it, just make sure it's secured. That's it. Now I'm going to click on the next step. And the tool is slowly going to the front. It will recalibrate its position just like homing, so it will make sure, yeah, now I'm definitely on the spot I'm expecting to be. And now we are about to tighten the other, wrong spanner. Let's put you here. And we are tightening the lower screw. Yeah. Perfect. That's it. For the possible tool crashes, there might be an issue with those nozzle seals. If they are too high like this, they can actually make the tool stumble or trip on this nozzle seal. So make sure you lower them a little. They should just touch the nozzle barely to prevent any filament oozing to behind of the machine. And now just finish it. It's done. Yeah, now we are supposed to return the pins. I'll just put them in. Again, no movement from the tool now, do not even touch it. It's fixed in its position now, but just moving the extruder now would damage, or not damage the printer, but it will cause some troubles later. Okay, so pins are back. Again, no need to tighten them with any major force. I'm just confirming it. The tool goes back, it will be docked, picked up, and like 2 or 3 times to verify it has been done correctly. Yeah, that's correct now. It will again move all the way to the front and calibrate it. And I'll continue with the dock number 2 calibration as I have already prepared it.